Django HTTPS settings. Why does setting both session _save _every request and session cookie secure break sessions? I'm trying to lock my Django app down to only HTTPS access. Everything seems to work fine if only session _save every request is true, or if only session cookie secure is true, but if both are true in my settings, then request.session becomes blank, breaking user authentication across the site. I'm thinking this is because I have HTTP requests that redirect to HTTPS but trigger a session save before they do so, and that creates a new, overriding sessioned with an anonymous user because that HTTP request doesn't send the good sessioned cookie. I see this because the login form submission returns one sessioned cookie, but the redirection from http://home to https://home returns a new sessioned cookie value which is used from then on. I might be fine removing session _save every request, but I'd like try to keep that functionality, and these HTTP redirects are wasteful anyways. First I tried adding the below in my wiki.py from seeing this question, this URL. But Django.shortcuts.redirect/ and Django.contrib.auth.decorators.login_required still redirect with HTTP instead of HTTPS after that, so that's very confusing. If that's not the right way, then my only other thought is a custom implementation of session _save every request that only performs on HTTPS requests. Has anyone tried that before?
Found it. I needed to set a setting to convince Django that I am really on HTTPS even though I'm hiding behind links. Reference this URL.
Yeah.